Okay, so now we're looking at the third video of this booklet. We are on page 4. Page 4. We're on QR. Okay. Okay, so in pursuit of calculating A, we can go with corresponding angles. Can you see that? We're not going to go with alternate because otherwise you're going to have two unknowns. 3a plus 30 is b. Yes. But it's two unknowns. You have an unknown of a and b. Unless you have calculated a or b. Yes. So we know that 3a is equal to 3a plus 30 is equal to 6a minus 60. Corresponding angles with EP being parallel to GR or GS or GH, whatever. Okay, so it all belongs to the same line. So it's corresponding angles with EP being parallel to GR. Okay, so now we calculate A. So negative 3a is equal to negative 60 minus 30, which is negative 90. So A is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Let's go with B now. See, here's alternate angles there. Or we could have said vertically opposite. Okay. So we're going to say 3a plus 30 is equal to angle B. Alternate angles there. Alternate angles with EP being parallel to RH. Okay. But A is 30. So 3 times 30 is 90. So 90 plus 30 is equal to B. So B is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. So 120 degrees. That's 120, of course, 120. Alright. C, as you can see, co-interior angles here. Okay. So 120 plus C is 180. Co-interior angles with CD being parallel to AB. Okay. So C is going to give you 60 degrees. Okay. Let's go with D. You see his alternate angles here. So D is going to be 60 degrees. Alternate angles with FQ being parallel to SG. Okay. So D is equal to 60 degrees. Alternate angles with FQ being parallel to SR. Okay. There we got A, B, C. Yeah, we got them all. Let's go with the next diagram. Okay, now we're looking at the S. There's all your A's around that point there. So we're going to go with the angles around the point. Or revolution. Okay, so we're going to say 210 degrees plus A plus 20 is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, revolution. Alright. So we're going to have 2a is equal to 360 minus 210 minus 20. That is 330. 110. 360 minus 210 minus 20. It's 130. Okay. So A works out to be 65 degrees. Okay. So for the diagram, this would be 65. This is going to be 85. So 65, 85, and 210 should be 360. Yeah. Okay. And let's look at B. We're looking at B now. You see here? There's your co-interior angles. You see the U there? So I say B plus 65 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles with if C being parallel to AB. Okay, so that's going to give you 120 minus 115. Okay, 115 is correct. Okay, so just put that again on the diagram. 115. That's B, no? Then C. Again, that is co-interior angles. Or you could have gone with opposite sides of a parallelogram, but you have to state with the reason why that's parallelogram first, because it wasn't given to us. So you're going to say C plus 115 is equal to 180 co-interior angles, with EA being parallel to FB. Okay, so C is then equal to 180 minus 115, which is 65 degrees. Okay, 65 degrees. Again, we put it in the diagram. So now, you see the F being formed here. That angle is corresponding to that angle. So D is equal to 65. Corresponding angles with FC being parallel to BA. Okay, that's a good one. Again, with this one, we don't have space within the answer book, so we'll just improvise and do it there. Okay, so in pursuit of calculating A, we can say A plus B is 180 co-interior, but we won't be able to solve for A. However, if we look here, we can solve A that way. So it's going to be 2A minus 31 equals 59 degrees. Why? Because these alternate angles with RU being parallel to ST. Okay, so 2A is equal to 1890 degrees. So A is 45. Okay, let's check. So yes, it's 45 degrees. So this angle here is going to be 2 times 45, which is 90 minus 31. This angle is 59. Okay, but we now know what A is. Okay, A is now 45. So I can go co-interior angles. Can you see that? So we're going to say that P plus 45 degrees is equal to 180. Co-interior with PQ being parallel to RU. Okay, then P of course is going to be 135 degrees. Okay, going to page 5. So in page 5 we have some challenges, our favorite. So A, we are told that in the diagrams, I'll keep the diagram in focus and read. We are told that in the diagram, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, I need a ruler quickly. Okay, if I made any mistakes in my calculation or in my approach, or explained something wrong, please contact me on that number. Otherwise, these videos are free. Or if there's a way of explaining something more simpler, more simplistic, let me know. I will highly appreciate it. Okay, so I'll stop this and carry on to the new video.